KidloLand.
A dive into the sea. Let's dive deep into the sea and see all the amazing animals that live underwater. There are many bright and colorful fish. Some of them are tiny and some are very big. There are crabs and lobsters crawling around. Watch out, they can pinch. The dolphins and seals love to play and giggle. The whales are huge. The blue whale is the biggest animal on Earth. All these animals live together under the sea happily. The sea is a busy, exciting place to see. I hope you get to visit.